Suppose I require the list to be printed in reverse order. So we have one more method called reverse. So reverse command to be applied where you find the list will be printed in reverse order, right? So first we say what is the original list over here. First we'll check the original list, right? So we'll just take print and birds, shift enter. So in this case you find the original order is this one, and now we do this in reverse order, right? So we'll just do this in reverse order. So in this case we have to apply a method called reverse. So in this case first you type the variable name birds dot, I type it as reverse, and the parenthesis you have, then I put print the variable birds. So in this case we'll see how it actually works. Shift plus enter. So now you find that the elements within the list has been reversed. So if it was bat, crane, duck, eagle, owl, peacock, swan and turkey, in this case you find that this is entirely been reversed. Turkey, then swan, then peacock, then owl, eagle, duck, crane and bat. So in this case the method called reverse will help you out to make the elements within the list in reverse order.